Committee are collecting signatures to have the county assembly dissolved. The residents are decrying the failure of the assembly to deliver on its constitutional role, including oversight of the executive. The Speaker of the Assembly now saying that the concerns are valid, but the move is premature. Here is the full report. The future of Governor Wilbur Otichilo remains uncertain as the Vihiga County government comes under heavy fire. Currently, 2 petitioners have launched bid to dissolve the county assembly on 6 grounds, among them corruption and failure of the assembly to hold the governor to account. The signature collection process, which started on Saturday, is still ongoing, the petitioners seeking to collect 10% of the total voters' signatures, which is about 28,000. This move is in accordance with the Article 192 of the Constitution that gives grounds for suspension over county government. According to the Assembly Speaker Hasna Mudezi, an ad hoc committee was created to investigate issues of health, trade and public service. She further added that a special sitting will be held on Thursday for the hearing of 4 CECs who have been alleged to fail on their mandate. Previously, the Assembly impeached 2 CECs, an indication of a government grappling with difficulties in its administration. Embattled Otichilo is also facing another petition at the Kisumu High Court that seeks to declare him unfit to stand office. What's more, the county boss has been accused of profiling people from the Maragoli and Tiriki subtribes, an issue that has infuriated some MCAs. The member of County Assembly now promised to clean up the Assembly and call for the ease of the public to rush them out of office. This is the second County Assembly to face dissolvement after Makueni Governor Kivutha Kibwana wanted to initiate the process of dissolving the Assembly following wrangles among members. Reporting for Look Up TV, I am Nancy Nelima.